brush, some rags for soaking up excess liquid, a blower, some BioDry product, and most importantly, a fine application broom. This is extremely important in order to get a good application. Some additional tools may be hazard cones and a trash receptacle for picking up large debris. The area underneath the canopy is where we will be servicing this gas station. There generally is an expansion crack around the outside edge that makes for a good start and stopping place for the BioDry application. First, we want to attack the gum spots with the heavy bladed scraper. Once BioDry is used, these gum spots won't stick anymore. Next, the heavy wire brush to get all of the other standing debris off of the concrete. Remove the dirt, the mud, the food, even some of those drink stains can be removed with this wire brush instead of having to pressure wash. In some instances, a little BioDry may be necessary for heavy oil stains in order to get down to the concrete surface. A leaf blower is used to blow out everything else on the concrete pad. Make sure you get it all of the sand, all of the cigarette butts, all of the debris, grass, you name it. Get it all off the pad and off the premises. This makes for a good looking BioDry application with no debris standing on the surface. Treating the island tops around the gas pumps is very important. Just a little sprinkle of BioDry on these tops helps the gum stains not stick, as well as attacks the hydrocarbon stains, and repels a lot of the drink stains from around the trash cans that are placed on top of these islands. You can see, simply work in the product to the concrete surface around these areas to give it a real good look. Once you've worked it in, simply sweep off the excess onto the concrete pad that you're going to be servicing next. Notice, just lightly sweep in the surface and make sure that the BioDry completely is attached or active on the concrete surface. The excess comes off very easily. We're now prepared to use BioDry on the main portion of this concrete pad. In an area that's about 10 feet wide, put one line of concrete cleaner down the center. If the area is over 10 feet wide, you may want to put 2 or 3 lines. The objective is to use the applicator broom to push the material over the concrete surface using the most square footage the broom can cover. Long, smooth strokes is a key to doing this application well and in a timely manner. First, side to side, then up and down the length of the concrete pad. 2 directions is a minimum, side to side, up and down, and a third may be necessary in order to get the material to cover the surface adequately. Notice, just push the broom, don't force it, don't push down on it, just push the broom over the surface and let it do the work. Some extra special attention may be necessary to the heavy oil stains. As you can see here, the heavy oil stains may need to be worked a little more with the broom. If the oil stains bleed through dark, work the material well into those stains until they turn all white. Once they've turned white, they are molecularly being broken down by the BioDry. Notice the stains have all turned white. The The final step for cleaning this first section is to sweep out the excess product. We do this because we want to eliminate tracking if at all possible. Sweeping the excess out of the first section into the next section to be serviced also saves material. Once this is done, you may want to go back down lengthways just for a final finish on that first section. Once this is done, that first section can be opened back up to cars running through. Notice section 1 and 2 first, moving down the gas station to section 3, section 4, and finally the last section, 5. And then this gas station is complete. Another area that you may want to work on would be the front entry area. A little product goes a long ways. And due to the fact that we really don't want to have any tracking, sprinkle just a little bit of bio-dry on this surface, broom it in well, and sweep the excess off. This will help the gum stains from not sticking, the soda pop and the garbage stains from not staining the concrete, and leaves a very nice finish on this entry area. Again, sweep off the excess to avoid tracking. For concrete parking spaces, work bio-dry well into the oil stain. If the stain is still dark, work the product in until it turns completely white. For asphalt stains, asphalt is made of a hydrocarbon material already, so as you can tell from this demonstration, the oils break it up very easily. So our asphalt conditioner actually conditions the asphalt to preserve the life of it, as well as make it look very appealing. Again, blow out the area. And in the case of asphalt, we're going to treat only the asphalt stain. Put a pillow of material on top of only the asphalt stain because this material is very dark and very dusty. But look at the difference that it makes once it gets broomed into this surface. Again, if the oils bleed through the asphalt conditioner, keep working it into the stain until they are completely saturated. A circular motion is best for this asphalt application. Look at the difference that makes. You have now completed a bio-dry, waterless concrete cleaning application.